Welcome fishing freaks, Rob from Inner Bay Angler here. And tomorrow's an exciting day because we're heading to Niagara Falls to the Whirlpool. We're going to do some fun fishing. We're going to try for some salmon, walleye, steelhead, whatever we can get. But we're going to be trying a new exciting product from Thunder Mist Lure Company. Give you our honest opinion on how this product is and how well it works. So we're going to take you on our journey with us tomorrow, so stay tuned. That video coming up right after this. All right, at the Whirlpool, we're heading down. Gonna go check out some fishing. See if we can't get in the big one. Coming down! I know one thing, folks. If you're out of shape, you're definitely gonna know it. Okay, I tell you, that was the first round. What a hike. Folks, if you're coming down to here, be prepared. She is like, well, if I was in my teenage years, this wouldn't have been too bad, but what's up there, fishing freaks, and Rob here from Inner Bay Angler. Well, as you've seen it, we had a trip down to the Whirlpool at Niagara Falls, and unfortunately we weren't successful. So we couldn't really give you the review on the Thunder Mist Lure Company's Sting Eye Spinner. So hopefully in the next video we'll be able to give you that review. But I just want to talk today about the trip itself. When you go to the Niagara Gorge, it's absolutely gorgeous, but this is a hike, and you definitely want to be in a little bit of shape to do this. And if you have a lot of gear, I suggest you pack very, very light. My brother-in-law and I didn't do that. We brought camera gear, I brought fishing gear, you know, your lunch, everything else you wanted, extra clothing. We were dressed for like minus 30. Not something you want to do at this location. There's a lot of stairs and a little bit of a hike down to the water. So I suggest you pack very light. A fishing rod, whatever you can pack in your pockets, and maybe a couple other items to bring with you. The stairs going up, if you're not in shape, you may want to take lots of breaks because it is a hike. And I will say that halfway up the hill, my legs let go and we went down for the count for a while. And, you know, we haven't done this sort of hiking before, and this was a new experience. So, is this a great place to fish? Yes, it is. And unfortunately that day we didn't get any. We've seen fish being caught around us. Obviously we didn't have the right presentation that day, but I'm sure there'll be next time. So if you want to give Niagara Gorge down the Whirlpool a try, go for it. Alright, so this is going to wrap up this episode of the Inner Bay Angler. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you smash that little button down below there and hit the subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification down the bottom. That's going to let you know every time I produce a new video, and you're helping me out. So please subscribe and turn on that bell. Until next time, Inner Bay Angler saying tight lines, see you on the water. Peace.